So yeah, those guys know best. I talked to Trayvon Robinson for almost 2 hours, and I left the conversation thinking that guy is a legit good human being, probably a great coach. So I reached out to a few of his players, and they confirmed it.